So hello friend, good morning. So I today we discuss another property. In first video, by mistake some video is passed in middle. So here we discuss again different property. Okay. So in first video I say from about rational number. So today we discuss from another property like second property is commutative property. Okay, this property is very beneficial in your competitive exam also. Okay, so so we will discuss here commutative property. Now second property is commutative property. Commutative property. Okay, commutative property. Commutative property. First we know what is commutative property. Okay, commutative property is like if any operation follow in A and B. Okay, like A plus B, A minus B, A multiply B, A division B. Okay, so that number also follow in that integer like yeah, that number which come number that also follow in those number. Like first we take example of whole number. Whole number is like first we discuss whole number. Then in your book says ki a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 7. Commutative property, that means a plus b is equals to b plus a. If we do a plus b, that inverse b plus a also is true. Okay, same LHS is equals to RHS. Like a into b, that means b into a also come. A minus b, b minus b, b minus a, that means a minus b is equals to b minus a. Okay, a division b, b division a, all things are here follow in commutative property. Okay, so first we discuss whole number. In whole number we know in first video, like whole number is 0 to 0 1 2 dot dot infinity. Then now we follow operation addition in whole number. Okay, so here first we discuss addition in whole number. Okay, so we discuss here from your book examples like a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 7. A is equals to 0, b is equals to 7. Why a is equals to 0 take? Because it is example of whole number. In whole number 0 is also added. Okay, so here a is equals to 0, b is equals to 7. So a plus b is equals to b plus a follow here. Now we put here value and understand follow or not. So a is equals to 0, b is equals to 7. So here put a is equals to 0 plus b is equals to 7 is equals to b is equals to 7 plus a is equals to 0. Okay, so we know 0 plus 7 is equals to 7. Here 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. That means these properties follow in whole number of commutative property. In your book addition is a commutative, so in addition is a commutative because that is LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, now you understand second property, subtraction. Second operation is subtraction. Here is property what say a minus b is equals to b minus a. Okay, so in your book take example, same example take a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 7. Okay, so if you put a is equals 0, b is equals to 7, here 7 minus 0, then we know easily here value is minus 7 is equals to 7. Minus 7 because in front of greater value there is sign is negative. Okay, in front of greater value the sign is positive. So 7 so here minus 7. Okay, front of value is negative, here positive, so minus 7 is equals to 7. We know easily it is not equal. Okay, so not property follow. Addition subtraction follow subtraction property not follow in commutative. Okay, now we understand multiplication. C is a multiplication. Okay, multiplication operation understand. Multiplication. Here a into b also come, b into a same value. if we put another value in your example, taken same value, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 7, but here we discuss a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 7. Okay, so a is equals to 2, that means 2 into 7 is equals to 7 into 2, that means 14, that is equals to 14. We know here 14 is equals to LHS, I is equals to RHS. So that means multiplicative is exist in commutative. Last operation we understand division. Okay, division. So here we know a divided by b is equals to b divided by a. We take examples like a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 2. Okay, if a value put 4 division by 2, okay, is equals to 2 divided by 4. Here come value 4 into 1 by 2. We discussed here in first video, like if you multiply then value here inverse. Okay, so 2 into 1 by 4. So here come 2 to the 4, that means 2 is equals to 2 1 by 2. Here we saw that is not equal. So division is not commutative property, or not hold commutative property. Now in your book take example of integer. Okay, its whole number examples. Now take example of integer in commutative property. All operation are same also follow in integer. If follow, then that hold property, otherwise not hold. So here take example of second integer. First we discuss whole number, now we take example of integer. Okay, we know what is integer: negative integer and positive integer. Negative integer from where? Infinity, minus infinity dot dot 1, and positive infinity is 0 to dot dot infinity. Okay, now we take a plus b in integer addition. First we take operation is addition. Okay, addition, that means a plus b is equals to b plus a. Come, if you take a is equals to, according to your book, take example a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. Okay, so a plus b is equals to 5 minus 3 is equals to, sorry, yes, we will understand 5 plus in bracket minus 3 is equals to b minus 3 plus 5. So we are here understand plus and negative. If multiply, then sign come negative. Plus multiply, then sign come plus. Minus, then sign come plus. Okay, again minus, plus, then sign come minus. You understand this operation in follow in all questions. Okay, so if plus minus multiplication, then that means minus 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 3 plus 5. So here my 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, and minus 3 plus 5, that is also 2. So addition is hold in commutative property of example of integer. Okay, so here takes second operation is subtraction. Okay, that means a is equals, same value if put a minus b is equals to b minus a. Same value put like a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. Okay, b is equals to minus 3 minus a is equals to 5. In subtraction, 5 minus here plus. Okay, so 5 plus 3, here minus 3 minus plus, that is minus, so minus 5. Here we understand there is 8, here is minus 8. Okay, minus is plus. So minus operation following value take plus. So subtraction is not following commutative property. Okay, now we take example multiplication. That is multiplication. Multiplication, that is a multiplied by b is equals to b multiplied by a. Take same examples like a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. Okay, and b is equals to minus 3 and a is equals to 5. Here value come minus 15 is equals to minus 15. Okay, so minus 15 is equals to minus 15. We easily understand LHS is equals to RHS. So multiplication holding commutative property. Okay, in example of integer. Now we take example of last operation is division. Last operation is division. Division, that means A divided by B is equals to B divided by A. If that operation is follow, that is hold, otherwise not hold. So A's value is 5 divided by B is -3 is equals to -3 divided by A value is 5. So here 5 into 1 by 3 in bracket -3, that means 1 by 5. So here easily comes -1 5 by 3 and here -3 by 5, that is not equal. So division property is also not following commutative property. Same like as a whole number, okay? In whole number, like addition and multiplication follow, division and subtraction not follow. In commutative in integers also addition and multiplication follow, and subtraction and division is not follow. Take example of rational number. Take example of rational number. Here we discuss one by one all property, because if we solve, then it is very easier in your exercise. If you solve exercise, then very easily, okay? Solve very easily. So here by mistake A minus B is equals to B minus A. So B division by A. So here we discuss rational number example. So addition, first we discuss irrational number is addition, okay? So here is third is rational number. First we take whole number, second we take integer, now we take example of rational number. Rational number is always in A by B form, okay? So rational number. We take example of A is equals to first whose operation take addition. So in rational number, first we if A by B, if we say we put easily A plus B is equals to B plus A, okay? That means if we take in your book, take example A is equals to -2 by 3 and B is equals to, take example 5 by 7, okay? B is 5 by 7. From these examples I solve all operation here, so okay? You are easily understand one by one. So A plus B, B plus A in commutative property, okay? So if we put A is equals to -2 by 3 plus 5 by 7, here 5 by 7 plus -2 by 3. We know your standard is class 8, then you easily know how is solve addition in rational number. First we here equal denominators. So 7 multiply cross multiplication of denominator. So 7 multiply 2 by 3, that is 14, plus 3 into 5, that is 15. Numerator is denominator is 21, okay? Denominator LCM is 21. Yeah, so yes, here is also 21. 3 is multiply 15 plus 7 is multiply -14, okay? So -14 plus 15 is plus upon 21 is equals to 1 upon 21. That is, you understand, 1 upon 21 is equals to 1 upon 21. Here LHS is equals to RHS, okay? LHS is equals to RHS. So addition property is hold in commutative property. Examples of rational number, okay? So here we take understand subtraction operation. So yeah, here written subtraction. That means A minus B is equals to B minus A. If come equal, that means property hold, otherwise not hold. So A is equals to -2 by 3 and B is equals to 5 by 7. Put value easily 5 by 7 and A is equals to -2 by 3. Okay. Here also take denominator in positive. In addition and subtraction, take same rules like first denominator equally, then solve irrational number. In multiplication division, not take denominator is same, easily multiply and divide. Okay, so in subtraction also denominator equals 7 3s are 21, 7 multiply and -14 and -15. Okay, so here also 21 we know minus minus is positive, so 3 into 15 plus 40. So here we saw 29, that is 29 divided by 21 is equals to 29 divided by 21. That means here negative, here is positive. So value is not equal. LHS is equal, LHS not equal to RHS. So in commutative property, subtraction is not hold. Example of rational number. Okay. In we take example multiplication. Same example in take multiplication also, like same example take multiplication. Multiplication. Okay, third is multiplication. Multiplication, that means A into B, B into A. Okay, if you take A is equals to minus 7 by 5, B into B in your I take examples according to your books is 6 into 5, 6 divided by 5. Same 6 by 5 into minus 7 by 5. So here minus 7 into 6, 5 into 5. Not take example like same denominator. Okay, in example given same denominator but not take equal. So here 25, 5 into 5, here 6 into minus 7. So minus 7, 6, minus 42. Okay, divided by 25 is equals to minus 42 divided by 25. Here is equal. HS is equals to RHS. So multiplication property hold in commutative. Last operation is the division. Last is division. Same example, A divided by B is equals to B divided by A. That means minus 7 by 5 divide 6 by 5. Here 6 by 5 divide minus 7 by 5. Okay, we know how is solved in division division operation. So 7 by 5 it multiplies in 5 by 6 here. Okay, 6 by 5 multiply minus 5 by 7. Okay, so multiply minus 35, that means 30. Here is come minus 30 upon 35, not follow. So here property is not hold in commutative. Okay, now last I think associative. Associative is very important. Okay, associative property is very important. Okay, associative property. Here is associative property. Last property is associative property. After this we solve exercise. Okay, so here last property like post property. First we discuss closure property. Second we discuss closure property. Second we discuss commutative property. Third here discuss associative property. Associative property. Associative property. Associative property, first we discuss what is associative property. That means in closure in commutative take only two, A and B. Here is in associative property take A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C, three examples. In associative property different operation have different formula. Like first we discuss what is, then first in addition if you do A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. First bracket here, second bracket here. Okay, if with that value is equal, that means hold in associative property, otherwise not. So first we start example take whole number. Okay, so first here in your book take example whole number. Whole number we know easily 0 to infinity. Okay, so in whole number in your example take A is equals to 7. Here A is equals to 7, B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 5. Okay, so if we discuss in whole number addition, in whole number we take first addition. Now we take subtraction, फिर multiplication, then division. So in addition A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Here is A is equals to 7. 7 plus B is equals to 2. Plus C here is 5. Okay. A is equals to 7 plus B is equals to 2 plus 5. So here 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 5. Okay. 7 plus 2 plus 5 is 7. So 9, 5, 14 is equals to 14. LHS is equals to RHS. That means addition property hold in associative property. Okay, as addition operation hold in associative property. Now you understand subtraction. Same subtraction, only sign is change here. Okay. So second is Visha subtraction. Just wait some second. Okay. So here we understand what subtraction value follow or not. That means A minus B minus C. Yeah, A minus bracket B minus C. You definitely learn this property. What is follow in use, like A plus B is equals to B plus A in commutative property, in associative property. A plus B in first bracket plus C is equals to A plus bracket B plus C. Okay, you definitely learn this property. So A minus B value, put A is equals to 7 here, A is equals to 7, B is equals to 2. Okay, minus C is equals to 5. Here A is equals to 7 minus B is equals to 2 minus 5. Okay, so 7 minus 2 is equals to first we solve in Bodo mass, like first we solve whose bracket, then definitely outside solve. Okay, so 5 here, 5 minus 5 here, 7 minus 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Here 5 minus 5 is 5 minus 5 is equals to 7 minus is plus. That means 0 is equals to 10. Not LHS is equals to RHS. So subtraction is not associative. Subtraction is not associative. Same example we saw for multiplication. Multiplication. First A into B in bracket is equals to C. A into another bracket B into C. Okay. So A is equals to 7 here. B is equals to 2 here. C is equals to 5. Okay. A is equals to 7. B is equals to 2. C is equals to 5. So here 7 into 2 is equals to 14. 14, that means 5 is equals to 7 into 2 teja 2 5 is 10. So 14 into 5 is 70. 7 into 10 is equals to also 70. So LHS is equals to RHS. So multiplication is associative, because multiplication hold property of associative property. Okay. So in last bit we saw take division. Division I think not follow. If subtraction not follow, then division also not follow. Take same example. A divided by B divide C. Okay, A divide another bracket B divide C. So A divide A is equals to 7 here, B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 5. Okay, A is equals to 7 here, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 5 here. Then we know 7 into 1 by 2, 1 by 5. If we multiply, we always solve divide by multiplication. If multiply, then by doing inverse. Okay, so 7 into 2 into 1 by 5. Okay, so here we solve 7 by 2 into 1 by 5 is equals to 7 into 2 by 5. Here we saw 7 into 7, 1 just 7, 2 5 just 10. That means 7 upon 10. In another 7 to the 14 divided by 5. Not equal. Okay, in division not equal. So division property is not following associative. Same take example in integers and same take examples for rational number. You saw in your book easily one by one. I'll discuss here. Okay, if you understand all these things whose I understood here, then you easily understand what written. Otherwise you tell me, then I again understood you what is take example in integer and rational number. Say in comment. Okay, so here now we discuss here your exercise. Okay, so first we solve example what is given in your book in examples, then again then solve in exercise what is exercise says. So come exercise. Now some examples here also says whose property here follow like 3 plus 7 plus in bracket no solve for solves given, you understand easily. In additions, multiplication also given here, or rule of 1 also given here, distributive of multiplications over addition for rational number. Here one by one discuss all things. So first we come exercise. Exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.2. Then understand what is given in your first question is name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Says whose property follow in exercise given. Okay, just second. I solve here. Just wait. Your book I have not now, so I upload in download in my laptop, so take time. Okay, so first question is given. First question is given in your first question whose property follow in their question. So first question is minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5.